Hey everyone, this is John from SendMode, and this is a quick tutorial on getting the correct company address information into your invoices. Now, you may have noticed when you set up a free trial, we just ask for your business name. We don't ask for any address information. So when you go ahead and purchase credits and begin using the system, what you'll find is when you generate an invoice, you might find that there's address 1, address 2 and address 3. It's just placeholders here where your address should be. So this is because we haven't asked for your address information on sign up, but it's very easy to fix this. You go to settings, and on the left hand side you'll see general settings. So you fields here for your address, 2 address fields, a town, county, postcode field. You just scroll down here, you click save changes, and then if you want to generate your invoices, you click purchase credits, SMS purchase history, you generate your invoice, and your correct company address information will be here. So a quick tutorial on how to do that. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at any time. Thank you very much.